Jim DePalma's Guide to OAuth 2.0, Digital Authentication Systems. Now more than ever, businesses are shifting their operations online to increase efficiency and productivity. Having all necessary information stored, categorized, and organized just a click away from your fingertips can truly streamline even the most complex of processes. However, with this digital transformation comes new cybersecurity risks that can threaten the safety and privacy of this valuable data. According to Jim DePalma, this is precisely where OAuth 2.0 comes in. OAuth 2.0, explained by Jim DePalma. OAuth 2.0 is an authentication system that allows users to securely access resources and information online without compromising their personal data. In other words, it's a way to authorize one application to access another application on behalf of the user. What are the benefits of OAuth 2.0? Increased security. OAuth 2.0 uses tokens instead of sharing passwords, which makes it much more secure than traditional authentication methods. Improved usability. Users don't have to remember multiple usernames and passwords for different applications. They can simply use their existing social media account, Facebook, Google, etc., to log in. Reduced friction. OAuth 2.0 eliminates the need for users to fill out long registration forms or remember complex credentials. This makes it easier and faster for them to log into your application. Improved user experience. The improved usability and reduced friction of OAuth 2.0 leads to a better overall user experience. Increased social media engagement. OAuth 2.0 allows users to log in with their existing social media accounts, which can lead to increased engagement and activity on your website or application. Types of OAuth 2.0. According to Jim DePalma, there are 4 types of grants OAuth 2.0, each catering to a specific need and serving a different purpose. Authorization code grant. This is the most common type of grant and is used when a user needs to log into your website or application. The user is first redirected to the provider's authentication page, where they enter their credentials, username and password. Once the user's identity is confirmed, they are redirected back to your website or application with an access token. This token can then be used to access the protected resources. Implicit grant. This type of grant is typically used for browser-based applications, single-page applications, that don't have a back-end or server-side component. The user is redirected to the provider's authentication page, where they enter their credentials, username and password. Once the user's identity is confirmed, they are redirected back to your website or application with an access token. This token can then be used to access the protected resources. Resource owner credentials grant. This type of grant is used when the resource owner, the user, provides their credentials, username and password, directly to the client, your website or application. The client then uses these credentials to request an access token from the provider. This type of grant is less common because it doesn't provide the same level of security as other types of grants. Client credentials grant. This type of grant is used when the client, your website or application, needs to access protected resources on behalf of itself, rather than on behalf of a user. The client requests an access token from the provider using its own credentials, client ID and client secret. This type of grant is less common because it doesn't provide the same level of security as other types of grants. Bottom line. Jim DePalma points out that OAuth 2.0 is a standard for authentication that allows users to log into your website or application using their existing account on another platform. It is more secure than traditional authentication methods and is quickly becoming the standard way to authenticate users online. Thanks for watching.